DJI is on the brink of unveiling two groundbreaking additions to its lineup, the OSMO Pocket 4 and the OSMO 360. The former is expected to build on DJI's handheld camera series, while the latter represents the company's first foray into the 360 camera market. While each model offers something distinct, they cater to slightly different audiences within the action camera market. Here's a side-by-side analysis of their anticipated features, benefits, and market potential. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to continue the Pocket series legacy of compact, ultra-portable design, perfect for vloggers and casual users who need a reliable, easy-to-carry camera. The Pocket series is notable for its integrated gimbal stabilization and compact build, and the Pocket 4 will likely retain these core attributes with refinements in size and handling. A bigger, improved display could enhance ease of use, especially for single-handed operation, while portability remains its hallmark. The OSMO 360, on the other hand, is designed for a different user base, namely action and adventure seekers who want immersive footage. The 360 camera will feature dual lens technology that allows it to capture a panoramic view, creating a unique immersive experience that traditional action cameras can't offer. Leaked schematics suggest a robust, action-oriented form factor, similar to GoPro, designed to withstand a variety of environments. While not as compact as the Pocket 4, the OSMO 360's design emphasizes durability and ease of use in adventurous settings. The Pocket 4 is anticipated to include further advancements in video resolution and frame rate. With the Pocket 3 offering 4K at 120 frames per second, the Pocket 4 might push these limits, potentially incorporating a higher resolution sensor or improved low-light capabilities to address user feedback about sharpness and detail. These enhancements would make the Pocket 4 highly appealing for creators who focus on high-quality footage in varied lighting conditions. The OSMO 360 will likely focus on achieving seamless, high-resolution 360 video stitching, a crucial element for a successful panoramic experience. While exact specifications remain under wraps, DJI will need to balance high image quality with advanced stitching algorithms for seamless footage, even during high-speed activities. Dual lens technology will allow users to capture every angle, making it ideal for virtual tours, adventure sports, and immersive storytelling. The Pocket 4 is expected to take gimbal stabilization to new levels, likely improving on its predecessor's 3-axis stabilization. This is key for handheld shooting where stability can make or break the footage quality, especially in challenging environments. Additionally, active track technology, which has been refined in each iteration, might see further upgrades in accuracy and performance, enabling smoother subject tracking and better focus in dynamic shooting conditions. Potential enhancements like phase detection or eye tracking could set the Pocket 4 apart from its competitors. While the OSMO 360 may not include a traditional gimbal, it will rely on digital stabilization techniques to ensure smooth footage. Since 360 cameras often capture movement from multiple perspectives, DJI will likely focus on incorporating robust, software-driven stabilization. This approach could make the OSMO 360 an appealing choice for sports enthusiasts, providing the stability needed to capture adrenaline-fueled moments without hardware-heavy gimbals. The OSMO Pocket 4 is expected to feature a larger, more responsive touchscreen, improving visibility in bright sunlight and allowing for easier navigation. Since the device is intended for single-handed use, an intuitive interface is essential. Additional accessories, such as a mini control stick or remote, may further enhance the user experience, allowing for seamless control even when the device is mounted. The OSMO 360's design is likely focused on quick access and ease of operation, with button-based controls for rugged conditions. The layout, including side-placed buttons and an accessible battery compartment, enables easy settings adjustment in the field. The on-device interface may be simplified due to the emphasis on action filming, and it will likely include a mobile app for in-depth configuration, previewing, and sharing of captured footage. Battery life is always a priority for handheld cameras, and the Pocket 4 will likely see improvements in this area to cater to creators who are on the go. Expect compatibility with external battery packs and a range of new accessories such as ND filters, telephoto lenses, and waterproof cases, which would broaden the camera's versatility in various shooting environments. The OSMO 360's battery life may be shorter due to the high processing demand of 360 video. However, DJI's design will likely allow for quick battery swaps and possibly portable charging solutions. In terms of accessories, expect waterproof casings, mounts, and possibly an extended tripod setup to cater to action and adventure scenarios. The Pocket 4 is expected to appeal to vloggers, travelers, and content creators who want high-quality, stable video without the bulk. It will likely be priced competitively within the compact camera market, positioning it as a premium yet accessible option for those seeking a gimbal-stabilized experience. It could also attract smartphone users looking to upgrade their video quality. The OSMO 360, with its innovative 360 capture, will likely target adventure filmmakers, sports enthusiasts, and immersive content creators. This device may come at a premium price, considering its unique features and direct competition with established brands like Insta360 and GoPro. The OSMO 360 will be best suited to users looking for an immersive, all-encompassing video experience rather than traditional flat capture. In summary, the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 and the OSMO 360 represent two different ends of the action camera spectrum. The Pocket 4 is geared toward handheld, high-quality, gimbal-stabilized footage, while the OSMO 360 aims to create immersive 360 content for adventurous creators. Both devices are expected to showcase DJI's commitment to innovation, with enhancements in stabilization, software integration, and user experience. Whether you're a vlogger in need of a portable powerhouse or an adventurer looking for panoramic immersion, DJI's upcoming offerings are poised to bring new dimensions to content creation. Since the 360 camera market is heavily reliant on post-production capabilities, DJI's success with the OSMO 360 will depend significantly on its ability to develop an intuitive yet robust software experience. This could include tools for reframing, advanced editing, and possibly AI-assisted effects for dynamic scenes. To effectively compete with Insta360's ecosystem, DJI will need to emphasize features like interactive 360 viewing, multi-perspective editing, and seamless integration with VR platforms.